You love them, you asked for them, they're back. Here's another 4 Gardeners video. What are you doing? I'm grafting asparagrapes. What the hell is an asparagrape? Your search for asparagrapes did not match any results. Please make sure all words are spelled correctly. A-S-P-E-A-R-I. Your search for A-S-P-E-A-R returned 1,500,000 results. I thought I unplugged you. Okay, Google, do I put the asparagus in the grape or the grape in the asparagus? You put the lime in the coconut, you drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut, you drink it all up. I was supposed to put the lime in the coconut? No one needs to put anything in anything. Stop grafting, this is not how it works. Your search for flop crafting when cow spit fireworks returned 3 results. Okay, maybe you should unplug her. No! I need her to tell me, do I put the asparagus in the grape or the lime in the coconut? You can put your head in your f***ing ass for all I care. Don't mind her, she's a dirty lush. Listen, have you ever read anything on how asparagus and grapes are grown? No, but I read this book on wild foraging. Google Gardener, what are the signs of tripping your brains out? You don't need to ask her. Newbie is way out in the ethers, tripping her balls out right now. Come on, let's take you to the doctor. Doctors nearby include Doctors R Us, Doctors Pro Shop, Doctors Depot, Hobby Doctor, McDoctors, In-N-Out Doctors, What a Doctors, Dunkin' Doctors. Okay, you can unplug her now.